Hey Newton, you gonna change the station and listen to some new music? Huh? I don't have any CDs anymore. That's such an old radio player. What are you doing over there? Huh? What are you doing? Pudge, what are you doing on the floor? What are you doing over there? Huh? You exploring? Huh? Yeah. Everybody needs to explore, huh? Yeah, we need to get out and explore. Yeah. Hey guys, what are you doing? I have a favor to ask you. I have these Oracle cards right here. Who wants to pull an Oracle card for the day? Huh? Do you want to pull one? Newton, you want to pull one? No? How about you, Pudge? You want to pull one? No? Who wants to pull one? Pick a card. Pick a card. Anyone? What? Pudge, want to pull one? Pick one, Newt. Pick one. Here. I'll put it there. Did you run away? Huh? Pick a card. Fudge, want to pick a card? Newt, pick a card, buddy. Pick one. Pick one. What do you think? Huh? Pick a card. No? It's okay. What do you think, Pudge? Will you pick a card for me? What do you think, buddy? Which one? Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on over. Come on over. No? You're not going to come over? Huh? Where are you going? Are you checking it out? Huh? You checking them out? No. Newt, come here and pick a card. Pick a card, buddy. Come here. Pick a card. What do you think, Pudge? Huh? What do you think the message of the day should be? Huh? What do you think the message of the day should be? Go pick a card, buddy. Go on. Let me see. No? No card picking? Huh? What do you think? Huh? What do you think, buddy? Yeah? Oh, we gonna pick one? Huh? We go pick one? All right, let's see. Which one? Huh? You think the end one there? Huh? Yeah? Oh, careful. We think that one? We gonna go with this one? All right, let's go with this one. What does this say? Hummingbird. Miracles, you are the joy bringer. You bless this world with positivity and love. Energy soars on your shining wings. Spread the miracles of happiness. Oh, what a beautiful card. And it's a hummingbird. I love hummingbirds. They're birds just like you. Huh? Yeah. You're going to go look for a hummingbird, buddy? Huh? Is there a hummingbird outside? Huh? Is there one outside? Yeah? What do you think? You going to look for one? Huh? All right. You know, birds really do spread joy. You know, these guys can be a handful at times. They do bring me so much joy. And that's what life is all about. Finding things that bring you joy. The birds, nature, anything. So find what lights you up and brings a huge smile to your face. And my boys. Oh. Have a great day.